Preseason camp concluded for the EKU football team today with their second scrimmage. There was great play on both sides of the ball as the Colonels continued to prepare for the regular season. Scoring for the scrimmage went like this. For the offense, they'd get 7 points for a touchdown, 3 points for a field goal, and 2 points for getting 2 first downs. Now for the defense, they'd also get 7 points for a touchdown, they'd get 4 points for a turnover, they'd get 2 points for a safety, then 2 points for a 3-and-out, and 1 point if they would hold strong on a 4th down. The offense would prevail on this day by a slim 40-34 margin. We caught up with Australian punter Keith Ruzak and long snapper Taylor Speaks after the scrimmage. Colonels are developing a tradition getting punters from Australia. Yeah. Why don't you talk about how you found your way here and if you're associated with Jordan Berry?
Okay. I'm associated with Jordan Berry. We're both from the same program, Pro Kick Australia, which are affiliated with ProKick.com from America. So what happens is Nathan Chapman and Johnny from back home, they coach up players that play the Australian rules game back home. And then Coach Hood seems to just like us. Jordan Berry did a great job over here, and he's really paved the way for a lot of the Australians to come through. And Coach Hood just likes the way we kick the ball. So got all those fancy little things for him. So yeah, he just loves it.
What's the one thing you miss about Australia?
So you miss having Vegemite on the toast. It does get a little cold for me over here, sort of thing. I do. I'm not a big fan of the snow, but you know, it's good here. I do like it here, but yeah, it's probably gets a little too cold sometimes for me. So yeah.
Last question here, and then we'll wrap it up. What can the students expect from EKU football when they come out and watch you guys this year?
It's just we're going to hit them hard. We got a great team, got some great new recruits, and some great guys in, and we're just going to hit it hard and run for the national championship.
Keith, I appreciate your time, man. Good luck this year.
Thank you.
We're joined by Taylor Speaks. Now, Taylor Speaks is the long snapper for the Colonels. So, Taylor, long snapper is a position that not many people think about right off the top of their head.
That's just the way I like it.
What does it take to be a good long snapper?
It takes mental toughness. You have to be mentally sharp on each rep. You have to know your technique, and you have to perfect it. And it has to be perfect every single time. Otherwise, we have a block kick, and we lose the game.
Now, you are a specialty type position. Do you develop a special type of relationship with the holder and the punter?
Absolutely. The holder and the punter are the same person. It's my roommate. We're constantly around each other, constantly hanging out. We know each other's fears, dislikes, all that, the good stuff and the bad stuff. And, you know, I know what he likes, where the ball is supposed to be. He knows where I like him to line up. It's all a unit.
Season's about to get started. Classes are about to get back in session. What can the students expect when they come out here and watch EKU football?
They're going to see an exciting team this year. We got a lot of young guys, a lot of new guys, a lot of transfers, a lot of people we're bringing into one single unit. We're playing a fast tempo offense. We're playing a hard defense. You're going to see some new coaches. You're going to see some new schemes, and you're going to see a heck of a special teams unit if I have my way about it, sir.
Man, I like the sound of that, bro, and I know I'm excited. Taylor, I want to thank you for your time, man.
Thank you, sir.
Fans, don't forget, Colonels open up play September 3rd when they take on Valparaiso. I'm David Miller with EKU Sports.